So what I am doing right now is, because the water meter is hooked to PEX outside the wall, it wiggles all around and wouldn't support the weight of the meter. That's a jumper the Water Authority gave me, so I have the spacing available to do the work I have to do. I have to put a copper line up that 2x6 to the ceiling to be able to support the water meter as the water goes on and off, and as it tries to jump around, it'll be supported to that 2x6, to the ceiling, and then to the 3/4 inch PEX. So that's what I'm doing, installing the copper to where the water meter will be on Tuesday. To the ceiling and going across the top over to where I'm going to hook up the PEX. So that's it. Copper's all sweated. We have our check valve in place, our pressure regulating valve, and that's a check valve, backflow valve, I should say. And then there's the pressure regulator. All I have to do is hook up the 3/4 inch PEX. I have a shark bite for that somewhere down here. Oh, there it is, right there. And we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Later.